Hello again. Today we have added another important application to the soap calculator. Go to the same website page, scroll all the way down. Now you can see a rough estimation of total soap weight. So now it's easy. You just need to fill out whatever you need for the recipe. Then you can generate the total weight of soap. For example, now we use 700 total weight and we fill up the rest of the specific oil that we want to use for the recipe in percentage. This is the examples of the recipe that I'll be using today. Now make sure that the total oil that we input will be 100% and the total weight of the oil will be 700 grams. So now I put in my purity of any, which is 98%. Then I generate the water amount by using the Studio Superfat. I'm not going to superfat anything for this recipe. So now scroll all the way down. Now you can see the total oil weight is 700 grams. So now we need to find the value for total anyway. So I'll be using 110 here because now I input 110 to this column. Now I have to find the water amount for the recipe, so it's 275 grams. So I input 275 grams to this column. So I'll be using essential oil, so I'll put 20 ml for a kg of soap, and I'll put 2 grams for the colorant. I'll be adding the sodium lactate to the recipe, so I'm using a 5 gram here. And I'll add oatmeal to the recipe as well. Probably I'm estimating about 5 grams too. And I'll add indigo powder as color for the soap too, so I'll add another 2 grams. So total soap weight here will be 119.